In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a hair mask at home using what you have in your backyard. That is your dogoyaro leaf and coconut oil. Now, this hair mask works for baldness, works for itchy scalp, it works for, like, it gives rapid hair growth, and it also works for dandruff. So let's get right into it. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do subscribe to my channel as I share a lot of formulation tips, free formulation videos, and just general tips that would help with your hair growth and your formulation journey. So like this video and also share to support me. Thank you. So I will show you how to use what you have at home. That is the dogoyaro, which is the neem leaf, and coconut oil, to make a hair mask that works for rapid hair growth, works for dandruff, works for baldness and other issues like good scalp, healthy scalp. So I'll be using the neem powder, but if you don't have the neem powder, I'll explain how you're going to extract it. Or if you want to use the leaf like this, I will also explain how to use the leaf to make the hair mask. So make sure you watch to the end to get that information. So in this video, I'll be using neem powder, I'll be using coconut oil, I'll be using olive oil and sesame oil. I also wanted to use honey, but then I checked my pantry and I realized I am out of honey. So you can also decide to add honey if you want to. Now, if you don't have these other ingredients, you can use other effective oils of your choice, but otherwise you should still use the neem and coconut oil. But you can also get the other ingredients, it will be fine because to make it very, very effective. So let's get right into it. So this is the neem powder and the other oils I mentioned. So when you want to make it, you're going to use equal parts of everything. So I have 1 spoon of neem powder here, 1 spoon of coconut oil, 1 spoon of sesame oil, and 1 spoon of olive oil. Now, one thing you need to know is neem powder can come in different colors, so depending on where you get it from or how you extract it. Now, what am I going to do? I'll just go straight into pouring all these oils into the powder. We're pouring the oil into the powder and then I'll mix it. That's all. It is very simple. I'll just pour it. Then I'm going to give it good mix. And that is all. Just apply it as hair marks on your hair and especially your scalp. And oh my god, this mask is like so effective. Now, if you don't like the consistency, if you want it to be thicker, you can decide to add more powder. Do you understand? And again, this is just like a sample because right now my hair is not even losing, so I just want to show you guys a sample. If you know you have longer hair, fuller hair and all, and this will not be enough for you, then definitely by all means make a bigger bag. Just mix equal parts of the ingredients. Now, if you don't have your neem powder, what do? Cut your dogoyaro, that's your neem leaf, rinse it, sieve it, like extract the water. After that, then dry it. After drying it, then just blend it, and after blending it, you get your neem powder. Then another method you can use is that you take your neem leaf, as you pluck the leaves. Then when you pluck the leaves, like, definitely rinse it. You pluck the leaves, rinse it. Then after doing that, then add little water and blend it in your blender. Then after blending it, it should be like a paste. Do you understand? Then just add the oils, like add the other things I just talked about and mentioned. So that is it. It is very simple. How do you use this paste? Apply this hair mask to freshly washed hair or wet hair. So after applying to your scalp and your hair strands, cover with a plastic cap and leave on for at least 1 hour before rinsing it off. Or you can, if you are going to be using a heat cap, then what you just do is cover with a heat cap for 20 minutes and rinse off. Then after rinsing off, use your rinse out conditioner to rinse off. You understand? So also like rinse your hair and all. So that is it. If you learned from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have a free SRM class coming up ending of this week, which is a live video class. You get to ask your questions and anything new, so just subscribe to my channel also for more videos about formulation. Thank you. Would you love to learn how to formulate effective hair care products from the scratch? You want to start your own hair care brand and you want to formulate effective products that will work for your clients and not give them harmful reactions? These sweet reviews from my students show that this course is the perfect one for you. With this course, you'll be able to learn how to formulate from scratch. You'll be able to develop and customize your own formulas instead of just being a recipe follower. You'll also have lifetime access to the course and to your tutor to ask questions. This is all you'll be learning in this course, and in addition, you will learn how to formulate beard products for free. Save 75,000 naira when you register for this course at 50% discount today. Click the link in bio to take advantage of this offer.